The three best features of these chairs are, number one, they fold, and they fold really good. And there's not one of those little silly metal rods that you have to stick in there and it gets tangled up and dangles all the time. Those fold great. Number two, it's that polywood or that plastic wood. And there's like two kinds, if you've ever noticed. There's the real kind, the good kind, and then there's like a cheaper, flimsier kind. And when you get it, you know it just doesn't feel like it's heavy. This is really heavy. Like, it is heavy. Like, it's hard to move heavy. So there's that. And then the third thing that I like most about these chairs is, well, hold on, bonus. I like the cup holder. But the third thing is the price. You can basically get two for pretty close to what you were expecting to spend on one. So there you go. Since we're still talking about it. The other thing I like about it, check this out. See how dirty it gets back there? That's not what I like. But what I do like is you can just wipe it down, or better yet, throw it in the yard, hit it with a hose. Super easy to clean. These are good chairs. Enjoy.